Welcome back. This is Madan. In this video, we are going to learn how we can add Node Package Manager in our application. If you are not familiar with Node Package Manager, then it is similar to NuGet Package Manager, but it is a repository of JavaScript packages, and it is the world's largest software repositories. And once we add Node Package Manager in our application, then we can start downloading our client-side JavaScript packages through npm in with the help of simple command through terminal or command if you are in Windows. So let's start this. In order to add Node Package Manager in your application, at first you need to have Node.js installed in your machine. So to install the Node.js, you can go to Node.js, you can go to their website node.js, and you can download the appropriate version and distributions of the packages. And once you download the package, the installation step is very simple. Just follow next, and once you are done, you should be able to go to the terminal, and when you type node -b, then you will get the version of your node that you just installed in your machine. And when you install node, it will also install the npm in your machine, and when you do npm-b, then it should show the version of the npm. So if you got successfully the versions of the npm and node, then you have successfully installed node.js in your machine. But here in this demo, I'm not gonna install this again because I have already installed node.js in my machine. So once you finish the installation process, then you can head over to your project and open the terminal, integrated terminal, and from here you can make sure you are inside your project directory. And let's clear this. And in order to add Node Package Manager in our project, what we should do is a simple command npm init. It will initialize the Node Package Manager in our project. Let's hit enter, and you can of course give the package name or leave it to the default, and let's leave it to the default value. And author, I'm gonna give my name here, and yes, is everything okay? Yes. So what this does is it will add a file called package.json, and this package.json will contain all the information about the packages that we installed, same like the csproj of the .NET project file. So we have successfully added the Node Package Manager in our project, and once we do that, we should be able to install the client-side JavaScript packages by using simple command. So let's clear this, and let's say you want to install the Toaster JavaScript library. So what Toaster is, it just gives the simple nice toast message um, to the user. And in order to install the Toaster through Node Package Manager, we have to do npm install toaster, this command here, npm install toaster. So let's install the toaster here, and npm install toaster. And this, what this save switch will does is it will add the name of the package in our package.json file, so that we can easily know what packages we are using in our application by looking on package.json file. So let's hit enter, and this has successfully installed toaster.js in our application. And where does this file lives? This file lives in the node modules here. And when we do npm install toaster, then it will install the toaster library. For the toaster library depends on jQuery, so it go out there and also install all the dependencies for the library that we want to install. So here is our toaster library, and it got the file toaster.js and toaster.css, toaster.css, toaster.js. So we have got our toaster.js included in our project with simple npm install toaster command. So with this you don't need to go to their website, download the file and include that file in your project directory. It is very simple. Once we install the packages like toaster, we need to sort that to our application, but by default .NET Core only serves the static file from which are inside the www root folder. So we need to configure the static file middleware to and tell the .NET Core to serve the files from node modules as well. So let's go to startup.cs, and this app.useStaticFiles middleware serves the file from www root directory. Now we have to tell the .NET Core also serve the files which are inside the node modules directory. Let's collapse the folder so that we can see clearly. And now we need to tell the .NET to serve the files from node modules. So let's add a middleware here, app.use static files, and we need to provide the options new static file options, and here we need to tell it a file provider equal to new physical file provider, and we need to give it a request path is equal to new path string, and let's give it a name of /vendor, so that when we request any file by doing /vendor, then that refers to node modules directory. So the physical file provider expects a parameter, a string parameter. We need to provide the path. So here we are going to get the path by using path dot combine, and we will get the directory dot get current directory, that is the directory, the root. This directory dot get directory will give you the root path of your project, and we combine this root path with node modules. So whenever we request a static file by doing /vendor, then it will serve the file from node modules directory in your project. With this we should be able to use our node.js, our toaster script that is inside the node modules directory. So let's serve the toaster.js in our project and pop up the simple toaster notification. In order to do that, we need to include our toaster file in our layout file. So let's go to the layout, and here we need to include the toaster css. So I'm gonna copy this link and paste it here, and instead of library I can do here vendor. Now since we have configured this as a vendor, when we do /vendor, it will point to the node modules directory. So we go to ~vendor and we point to our toaster.css file, ~vendor /toaster /build /toaster.css. Let's save this, and let's add the toaster javascript file. I'm gonna copy this here and let's paste it here, ~vendor the toaster javascript is inside the toaster folder, toaster /build toaster.min.js. I'm going to copy this again. Make sure you add this toaster JavaScript library below jQuery because it depends on jQuery. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here once. Let's save this, and I have already fired up my server here. Let's refresh this, and I'm gonna go to console here and test if toaster has successfully installed or not. Let's try to pop up the simple message toaster hello uh, toaster dot success hello, and this has successfully given us the toast message. So in this way you can use node package manager npm to install client-side JavaScript very easily in your project. Alright, that's it for now. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.